Welcome back. An Orangevale family's beloved German Shepherd seen here, dragged to his death, and the driver took off. Now the family is demanding justice.
But even if this person is caught, the driver may only get a slap on the wrist. CBS 13's Rachel Wolf is live for us in Orangevale tonight, getting answers about why. Rachel?
Patron was a protector, a guardian, a member of the family, and the way he was killed was awful. Hit by a hit-and-run driver right along this road and dragged. Parts of the story are really difficult to watch.
This is the front grille.
John Gallico holds what was left at the scene of an accident that killed his beloved German Shepherd Patron a week ago.
Patron was my family member, my whole family, including myself, my wife, my son and daughter. It's a void. It's a gap in our life.
Gallico says the 12-year-old family pet died after a hit-and-run last Tuesday night. The family watched in horror as surveillance cameras captured the deadly accident.
The gate was open.
He says his two German Shepherds, Luna and Patron, escaped the backyard.
Luna ran across the street, and then Patron went to get her to bring her back, and Luna was able to cross safely, and he did not.
Patron was hit by a Land Rover traveling this direction on Santa Juanita Avenue. And to add insult to injury, he was hit by a car coming the opposite direction. But that driver stopped. Gallico admits it was an accident, but thinks the driver knew what happened because of the impact. And how many pounds was he?
At least 135 to 155 pounds.
That person knew they hit something.
Absolutely.
Gallico filed a police report, but so far they've got no suspect. And even if they did identify a suspect, they would not be charged with the dog's death. Why?
But it's been interpreted by the courts that absolutely dogs, specifically domesticated pets, are property. And if you cause damage to that property, that's a violation of the law.
Criminal defense attorney Mark Reichel says the driver, if found, likely won't face charges for hitting the dog, but will for leaving the scene. Gallico hopes the driver will accept responsibility and turn themselves in.
Next time it could be a child. It could be a bicyclist. And that's the biggest concern here is where he took a life and he wasn't accountable for it.
So if convicted of the two misdemeanors, that would be fleeing the scene of an accident and also failure to file a police report. That could result in a 1 to 2 year sentence, also a $500 fine. Now, this could go up to a felony, and here's why. If there was actually something that they would determine would be willful cruelty, that would be if the driver knew that they had hit something and they continued to drive down the road, that is what could up it to that felony charge.
Oh, it just breaks your heart for the family and everyone involved here. We certainly hope the driver does the right thing and comes forward.